Welcome to Emilac online tutorial, and before us is this question in bearing and distance, and says Q is 32 km away from P on a bearing of 042 degree, and R is 25 km from P on a bearing of 132 degree. Calculate the bearing of R from Q. Alright, first of all, just to ensure that we draw the diagram. The diagram will help us to know what next to do. All right, now Q is 32 away from P. Now since it is away from P, so P is actually the starting point. You can now draw this. Now 32 kilometer, 42 kilometer for the 2. All right, this is 32 kilometer. Now this is 042 degrees. Now this is P, and this will be Q. All right, and R is 25 kilometer. Now since 32 is greater than 25, so this one should be a little bit shorter on a bearing of, let me draw this, okay, bearing of 132. So 132 should be around the side. Then we draw now 25. Okay, all right, so here we have it. Okay, all right, so let us say this P, Q, and R. So this is our R. So we are asked now to calculate the bearing of R from Q. Okay, so we can actually complete this diagram this way. Complete this one this way. Okay, now okay, so we have to calculate, okay, bearing of R from Q. So we are starting from here down to this point is what we are looking for, and for us to get this, we will need to calculate this angle. Okay, all right, now let's just start. Now this angle here will give us 90 minus 42. Why? Because from here like this is a right angle triangle. So if 42 is taken away from 90, so here we have, this should be 8, then this should be 8, then you have what, 48 degree. So this part here now is 48 degree. Okay, now from here to here, from the question is 132, and for us to calculate here, it means 180 minus 132, and this will give us 48 also. So here is what, 48, and if here is 48, now what will now be this angle here? And take note, this is also a 90 degree. So here we have 90 minus 48. Now this will give us 2, also give us what, 42. All right, so here will now become 42 degree. Virtually the whole of this place will be 90 degree. Okay, all right, now if that is true, we can probably redraw this diagram like this. Since here is 90, so here is 90, then here will be 32 kilometer, then here will be 25 kilometer. All right, okay, so what we're actually looking for now, take note that here automatically here is 48 alternate what, angle. So if we're able to get this angle here, then if we'll be able to get this angle here, so right here we have that this is theta. Now reconciling this is opposite and adjacent. Now using SOHCAHTOA, now opposite and adjacent, that will give us tan. So that will be tan theta equals opposite 25 over 32, right? All right, So as such, now punching our calculator here, so we have that this is it will be 0.7813. all right, for us to get the angle, we'll find the inverse of tan. So here you have the inverse of tan, or 0.7813, and this should give us, watching our calculator, this should give us approximately 38.0 degrees. All right, if here is now 38, right, so we can now say, take note that here is all 90, right? So this place, let us make it as alpha. So for us to get alpha here, alpha will now become, this plus this plus this will give us 90 degrees. And for us to get this, it means you have to take away, you have to add these two angles and take it away from 90. You have 90, then minus 48 plus 38, and this should give us that alpha should give us 90 minus, now this should give us 6, that will be 8. all right, so automatically our alpha will give us 4 degrees. Now if our alpha is 4 degrees, the bearing of R from Q, that is the whole of here down to here, you can now say, you can see that from here to here is 180. Now plus 4, so here you have 180 degree plus 4 degrees, you give us what? 184 degrees. Final answer. All right, if you love what I've just done, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Thank you, and God bless you.